I have Honor 8X and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and touch to power off again. So right now when your device is completely switched off, you need to use this combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume up. Keep holding those two keys until you will be able to see the recovery mode on your device. As you can see, the EMUII recovery mode pops up, so here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So in my case, let me scroll down to choose wipe cache partition, press power key to confirm it. The device is removing the cache files, so your all personal files won't be affected. This operation only removes the temporary cache files. So right now when the EMUII recovery mode pops up again, let's choose reboot system now and press power key to confirm it, and the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.